Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to AliExpress and you will enter here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.